Hi mga BFF, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang highlights at ang top 5 dito sa Miss Ilocos Norte 2025. This is in no particular order. Unang-una dito si Miss Pagudpod. Then we have Miss San Nicolas. We also have Miss Banggi. And then we have Miss Dingras. And to complete the top 5, Miss Dumalneg. Now the top 5 were given the same questions and the questions goes like this. If you were speaking to a first-time visitor in Ilocos Norte, what local sustainable efforts would you share with them?
So I believe in the virtue of showing rather than telling. And Ilocos Norte's beauty already speaks for itself. What I would tell to a first-time visitor is that tourism should not come at the cost of our environment. And with that said, I would want everyone to please take Ilocos Norte and its people and even the environment at the heart of every visiting experience. We should continue to push on for efforts that advocate for the betterment of our sustainability for our environment through creating policies that follow strict standards that should be implemented implemented really well. And with that said, I would want to tell that first-time visitor that yes, Ilocos Norte is beautiful, but each choice that we do affects whatever it is that Ilocos Norte will wait for in the future. Ilocos Norte is indeed a wonderful destination, but it is our job to conserve what's there for the future generations to enjoy and adore this very place we call home. Thank you.
Undeniably, the Ilocos Norte has boosted its tourism industry. And what I can do as a modern Ilocana is I can propose on my fellow youth to continue and indulging themselves in community cleaning and greening activities. Other than that, we Ilocanos are very warm and hospitable, and that is something that we give to our visitors every time they visit Ilocos Norte. That's make them wanting more of visiting Ilocos Norte. Other than that, I will also promote kindness to show to everyone, because you cannot go wrong with being kindness. Instead, it will make you or take you to greater heights and to even far places. And that is one of the best traits that we should possess in every visitors that may come in Ilocos Norte. And undeniably, that we Ilocanos really represent the beautiful blend of our tradition and progress. Thank you so much.
Is famous for its famous destinations. And I would say it's famous for its famous for its famous destinations, and I would tell her or him that we Ilocanos have so much more to offer, more than just the beautiful destinations here in Ilocos Norte. We are hospitable, we are respectful, and we are resilient. And that would be all. Thank you.
In Ilocos Norte, sustainability is not just a choice, it is our heritage. We honor the land our ancestors protect by protecting it too, celebrating it and preserving it. Because with sustainability, we invite the world not just to experience the sights of Ilocos Norte, but also its heart. With sustainability, we transform lives, uplift communities, and create a generation where every people can live, dream, and thrive. Thank you.
If I would be able to talk to a tourist first timer in our province, Ilocos Norte, where first I will introduce the beauty that we have in Ilocos Norte, with be it cultural heritage. Aside from cultural heritage, we also possesses the values that we Ilocanos are really made unique, and what makes us different from other people. And I myself am a cancer survivor and a true embodiment of resilient woman and a resilient Ilocano. I do believe that I could be able to share what
the true spirit of Ilocanos and share with them the beauty that we have in Ilocos Norte, that only here, only in Ilocos Norte will you find it, and you will be able to and that the visitors will be able to amaze and be wowed at that promise. Thank you.
And now, ang hinaantay ng lahat, ang una nilang sasabihin ay yung magiging Miss Ilocos Norte 2025, followed by the first runner-up. At ang kokoronahan bilang Miss Ilocos Norte 2025 ay si... At ayun na nga, sana nga nag-enjoy kayo. Kaya next time ulit, bye mga BFF!